Looking down into a valley over 8,000 feet deep, even the Grand Canyon might be in awe. Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks. From the melting Darwin Glacier, life continues to flow. Thousands of plant species and hundreds of diverse animal species come together in the challenging arena of the wild. Predators quietly lie in wait within the ancient forest. Prey escapes across the rugged cliffs of the frozen tundra. The journey of survival for these wild creatures reaches its peak, with every hour, every minute, every second filled with moments of life on the edge. All of this creates the delicate balance of a resilient yet vibrant ecosystem. Welcome to wild Sequoia and Kings Canyon. Mysterious predators beneath the giant trees. In the presence of giant sequoias, where time seems to stand still, Sequoia and Kings Canyon become a fierce arena. In the stillness, a mountain lion quietly stalks, while the faint footprints of a mule deer are barely visible on the forest floor. The shadows and canopy intertwine like a perfect cloak, concealing a swift and precise strike. On the other side of the mountain, a black bear waits, its keen eyes scanning intently for signs of life. From berries to carcasses, it seizes every opportunity, embodying the spirit of adaptability. High in the Sierra Nevada, bighorn sheep navigate cliffs, not just to escape predators, but also to withstand the harsh elements. In a place where the weather shifts rapidly, each day becomes a test of endurance. In this relentless struggle, life is fragile and constantly challenged. Only the strongest and wisest species prevail. Amid the Sierra Nevada range in central California, neighboring Yosemite to the north, Sequoia and Kings Canyon national parks emerge as vast forests and rugged mountains. Spanning over 1,353 square miles, these parks feature diverse landscapes ranging from deep valleys to towering mountain peaks, creating a majestic natural arena. The grand sequoia forests and deep valleys of Sequoia and Kings Canyon national parks preserve stunning natural scenery and traces of ancient civilizations. Here, indigenous tribes like the Monac and Tuba-Tulabal thrived for centuries, leaving behind stone tools and rock carvings, reminders of their deep connection to the land. On September 25, 1890, Sequoia National Park was established, marking a significant moment in American conservation history, aimed at protecting the giant sequoias, living witnesses to the passage of time. Later, Kings Canyon National Park was created in 1940 to safeguard North America's deepest valley and the majestic Sierra Nevada peaks. With similar terrain and ecosystems, the two parks were combined under joint management in 1943, forming one of the most important mountain ecosystems in the United States. Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks stretch across the western slopes of the Sierra Nevada, showcasing impressive elevation changes. From the dry foothills at 1,500 feet to the summit of Mount Whitney, the highest point in the contiguous United States at 14,505 feet, this region offers a stunning variety of landscapes. The parks are also home to Kings Canyon, one of the deepest canyons in North America, plunging 8,200 feet, deeper than the Grand Canyon. Sheer granite cliffs and the winding Kings River, which flows like an ancient current, create a vibrant, wild, and awe-inspiring scene. The dramatic changes in elevation and varied climates have fostered a rich ecosystem within Sequoia and Kings Canyon, home to over 1,300 species of native plants. Among the most iconic features of the parks are the giant sequoia trees, towering like living skyscrapers. One such tree, the General Sherman, is renowned as the largest tree by volume, standing 275 feet tall with a base diameter of 36.5 feet, an enduring symbol of time's passage. Beyond its plant life, Sequoia and Kings Canyon are a haven for wildlife, supporting around 300 species of vertebrates, including 72 species of mammals and 200 species of birds. Like a dance of nature, the delicate balance between flora and fauna turns Sequoia and Kings Canyon into a vibrant wilderness arena, where each species plays a role in the eternal symphony of the natural world. At the hot, arid foothills of Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks, the ecosystem paints a picture of contrasts. The lower forests, ranging from 250 to 900 miles above sea level, are where coulter pines, Jeffrey pines, cedars, and drought-resistant grasses thrive amidst dry conditions. Oak woodlands and wild grasses provide habitats for animals adapted to the arid environment. Every creature here contends with intense heat and scarce water, creating a compelling tale of survival within this unique ecosystem. Over the arid foothills of Sequoia and Kings Canyon, a red-tailed hawk soars across the vast sky scientifically known as Buteo jamaicensis. This bird of prey is one of the most common raptors in the region. It belongs to the Buteo genus, a group of medium-sized birds of prey known for their robust bodies and broad wings. With its powerful build and wide wingspan, the red-tailed hawk commands the skies, mastering the dry expanses like a true ruler of the air. Summer temperatures in Sequoia and Kings Canyon can reach up to 40 degrees Celsius. However, the red-tailed hawk has developed unique adaptations with its complex feather structure. The outer layer of strong feathers acts as a shield against direct sunlight, while the softer underlayer helps retain body heat and insulates it from external temperatures. The red-tailed hawk uses soaring flight to conserve energy. Its wings often tilt slightly to one side, minimizing the need for flapping and maximizing energy efficiency. Its deliberate and calculated flight with deep wing beats shows that each movement is part of a perfect survival strategy in this harsh environment. The red-tailed hawk is a master of hunting. It spends its days searching for rodents and rabbits, its primary prey in these arid conditions. To sustain itself, an adult red-tailed hawk must consume 7 to 11.2% of its body weight daily, which equates to about 3 voles. The harsh summer in Sequoia and Kings Canyon can deplete water and food sources. However, the red-tailed hawk can fly tens of miles searching for prey. With a wingspan ranging from 3.6 to 5 feet and expert soaring skills, it conserves energy effectively. The red-tailed hawk often employs a sit-and-wait hunting strategy, choosing high perches to survey its surroundings. From these vantage points, it minimizes wing flapping and can swoop down from greater heights. With exceptional vision, it can spot prey from over 100 feet away, even when the animal is hidden under foliage. Once it locks onto its target, the hawk dives at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, its strong wings and sharp talons ready for capture. The red-tailed hawk begins nesting in March or April. Their nests are built high in tall coulter pines or on inaccessible cliffs, far from most predators. These elevated and strategic locations ensure maximum safety for their young. The red-tailed hawk's nest is carefully crafted with large sticks on the outside and soft grasses and leaves lining the interior. With a diameter of up to 38 inches and a depth of 6 to 10 inches, the nest provides a sturdy fortress amidst the harsh elements of nature. Each breeding season, the hawk pair may reuse an old nest or build a new one, demonstrating their persistence and commitment to protecting the next generation. When it comes to defending the nest, the red-tailed hawk is not shy about displaying strong protective instincts. Whenever a threat arises, they dive from great heights at astonishing speeds, like an arrow cutting through the sky. These powerful dives serve as a natural defense, effectively deterring any danger that comes too close. In the arid ecosystem of Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks, the black bear is the most common bear species. Scientifically known as Ursus americanus, black bears have developed unique survival strategies to endure harsh conditions. The hot summers and scarcity of food require effective adaptations. During the summer months, black bears are mostly active in the early morning and late afternoon. In the heat of the day, they seek shelter in caves, dense forests, or beneath large trees to conserve energy and protect themselves from the intense heat. Their thick fur not only shields them from the daytime heat, but also helps keep them warm when nighttime temperatures drop significantly. This ability to regulate their body temperature allows them to move comfortably between different environments, from the dry foothills to the cooler high mountains. In the scorching foothills of Sequoia and Kings Canyon, black bears constantly move through dry areas in search of food. As omnivores, they forage for berries, roots, and insects. When necessary, they also hunt small animals or scavenge for leftover carcasses.